Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you the correct way to use Typeform automation with Zapier instead of webhooks. If your webhook method keeps failing, this is the easiest and most reliable alternative. First, open your Typeform account and make sure your form is ready with fields like name and email. Then, go to Zapier and sign in. Click Create Zap to start a new automation. Now, choose Typeform as your trigger app. Select the event called New Response. This means every time someone submits your form, the automation will run. After that, connect your Typeform account to Zapier and pick the exact form you want to use. Then run a quick test to pull in some sample data. Now it's time to choose your action step. This is where you decide what happens next. You can send the data to Google Sheets, your CRM, email platforms, or many other apps. Next, map your fields carefully. Connect the Typeform answers like name, email, and message to the correct columns in your destination app. Once everything is mapped, run another test to confirm the automation works. If the test is successful, turn on your Zap. From now on, every Typeform submission will automatically flow into your connected app. No manual copy and paste needed. This method is way more stable than webhooks, and perfect for beginners because it requires zero coding. So that's how you automate Typeform using Zapier instead of webhooks. If this helped you, please share the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.